Hi, I'm Brian with Clearwater Plumbers, and today I'm going to go over the 3 garbage disposals that we offer. Any of our guys that come out should have these on their trucks at any given time should you need a new garbage disposal. We're going to start right here at the high end. This is the Badger 880 Evolution. It boasts a 7/8 horsepower grind motor, stainless steel grinding components, anti-vibration connections, won't shake your sink nearly as much as some of these other guys. As well, anti-reverse, meaning every time you turn it on, it's going to go clockwise. Next time you turn it on, counterclockwise. This really helps to keep things from building up in the disposal system. Definitely our highest end model that we carry comes with an 8-year warranty on this guy, so it will last you. As well, one of the biggest things that I love about this is how quiet it is. It actually does have insulated chambers all around it. Moving on, this is going to be the Badger 5. This is a 1/2 horsepower, single stage grind garbage disposal. You see this in most houses. This is going to be probably the most popular middle of the road model that we offer. It comes with a 2-year warranty, stainless steel grind chambers. From there, this is our luxury line 1/2 horsepower disposal. Not a bad disposal by any means, but it would definitely be builder grade or budget grade as far as disposals go. It's not an insinkerator, but it will get the job done. It is still a 1/2 horsepower disposal with stainless steel grinding components. So those are the 3 options that we have. I hope this answers some questions.
Got to do what you